Today's OneNote tutorial is a look at how we can use the Learning Tools tab at the top of our page, or the Learning Tools menu, and how we can use in particular the Immersive Reader. Now you'll see if you're in OneNote 2016 that you don't actually have the menu for the Learning Tools. So the first thing we need to do is go and download them. Now there'll be a link to this in the description of the video, but basically we need to come on to Microsoft and we need to step through these instructions. So we need to download our Learning Tools tab. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is close out of OneNote, and then I'm going to have to download it. So we simply click on the link, and then we're going to follow these steps. I'm going to select Run. I'm going to have a look at the tools that I want. So it says if you'd like to add more languages or features, you can add languages. If you skip this step, the Learning Tools add-in will be in all default languages and any available auto-detected language. So let's press Run. Now, if you're using different things, your download might come down to the corner here. So if it's disappeared, you might have to click over here and just have a look and see what progress it's making to download. The reason we use our Learning Tools, or one of the main reasons we use the Learning Tools, is for the Immersive Reader. So what that will do for us, if you have a large chunk of text in your OneNote, you can use the Immersive Reader tool to read that text to you. So it will read it out loud so you can listen through your headphones or your speakers and just help you along with the understanding of the text. You can also see there that you can add languages. So if your first language is something other than English, this may help you with reading in the different languages once you translate it. Once the tool has downloaded, you'll come up with a notice like this. We want to agree. If you know that you will need additional languages, you can add languages there. I'm going to use the languages that are on my computer, and I'm just going to press install. It may ask if you want to make changes to your device, and you may say yes. If your parent is the administrator for your device, you may need them to install this for you. They may need to give it permission. So we'll just wait for that to set up. Once it does set up, we will have to restart the computer. And then when we open OneNote, I will show you what is happening in there. Okay, so now that we have installed and I've hit launch OneNote, you can see up the top here I have a menu for Learning Tools. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that. Now you'll see there are a few different options here. So our Immersive Reader, you can choose to dictate. Okay, so if we just use that Immersive Reader at the moment, okay, if I press that, it will start to read for me what it is that I need to hear.
Book is a digital notebook for the whole class to store text, images, handwritten notes, attachments, links, voice, video, and more. Book is organized into 3 parts.
Okay, when you're finished with that, simply close out and it will take you back to your main screen. So that's just a handy tool. If there's a lot of text and you want to hear it, you can do that. I hope this has been helpful. If you have some issues installing it or have some further questions, please make sure you email the tech support crew or shoot an email through to your teacher perhaps, Um, Also, you can have a look at the help menus within Microsoft itself as well if you're having trouble. Hope this has been helpful.